Congratulations on taking a step toward supporting your nervous system and overall well-being. This video will guide you through how to set up and use your Truvaga Plus. Before your first use, download the free Truvaga Plus app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. The app is required to use your device and allows you to control intensity, start and stop sessions, and track your progress over time. To get the best results, it's important to place your Truvaga device in the correct location on your neck. Choose either side of your neck and use 2 fingers to gently locate your pulse. This area helps guide where your device should be placed, as the vagus nerve runs close to the surface here. As a visual guide, imagine a line running from the corner of your mouth down your neck. Your placement should fall within this area. Before turning the device on, remove the cap and take a moment to practice positioning while it's off. This helps you get comfortable with placement before starting your session. To get ready for your session, make sure your device is charged, your app is connected, and you're in a comfortable, seated position. Press and hold the power button until the indicator light turns green. Open the Truvaga Plus app and tap Connect Device. Once connected, tap Start Session and customize your session before you begin. Next, apply 2 to 3 pumps of the provided electrode solution directly to the placement area. The skin should feel lightly damp to ensure proper contact. Remove the cap and place the device on either side of your neck at the correct location, just below your jaw over your pulse point. Ensure both electrodes are in full contact with your skin. In the app, tap Start Session to begin. Slowly increase the intensity until you feel a strong but comfortable sensation. This may feel like tingling or a slight lip pull. Most users find their ideal intensity between levels 4 and 7, but choose what feels right for you. The goal is a strong yet comfortable sensation. If it feels weak or inconsistent, gently adjust the position or apply a bit more pressure. If the device feels too far back near your ear, move it slightly forward toward the front of your neck. A slight tilt toward your lip or windpipe is normal. Small adjustments are normal. It may take a few tries to find what feels right. Sessions last 2 or 4 minutes, depending on your selection in the app. Hold the device in place until you hear 2 beeps, indicating your session is complete. When finished, wipe off any excess solution from your neck and device. Clean the electrodes with a soft, dry cloth. Do not use soap or other cleansers. Replace the cap and store your device in a safe, dry place until your next use. For best results, we recommend using Truvaga Plus at least twice daily, such as in the morning and evening, to support long-term wellness. If you have any questions, our customer support team is ready to help. Contact us at 800-643-2036. Make sure to read the complete user manual and familiarize yourself with important warnings and precautions. Thank you for choosing Truvaga Plus as part of your self-care journey.